Hey there, Mustangs. I'm back. That's right. This is Coach McKeever bringing you another week of distance learning. All right, this week, super crazy multi-step equations. That's right. We just keep adding and adding to these things. All right. So first, let's start with some rules. Here's some expectations that you're supposed to do. Number one, clear equations of all fractions. Hey, this might look familiar to you. This is from a couple weeks ago when we did multi-step equations. So now we're coming back and we're doing it again. Number two, distributive property. That's right. Get rid of those parentheses. Hippity-hoppity. And then combine the like terms. Now, notice a little space right here. This is our new part. We're going to call this step 3 4/7. All right, 3 4/7. So we're going to combine like terms. Then what you're going to have is variables on both sides of the equation. Variables on both sides. That's right. Which means move the smaller variable. Okay? We talked about that last week. All right, so it's going to be clear the equation of all fractions, distributive property. That means you get rid of the parentheses, combine like terms on each side, and then step 3 4/7. Variables on both sides. That's right. That's what you should have now. And if you do, go ahead and move one from one side to the other. And then after that, you should solve your two-step equation. It might even be a one-step equation if you're lucky. All right. And then don't forget step 5, the most important one. Check your work. Check your answer. Make sure it's right. All right. Here we go, guys. This is our first example. Now, when you take a first look at that, you might think, wow, that's a lot. But when you break it down, it's not so bad, okay? Just do one side at a time. Let's just do this side on the left, all right? What's happening over here? Well, let's see, there's no fractions, so now what? Distribute. That's going to be 8x. Distribute. -12 minus 6x plus 8, all right? Next step, combine like terms. These two guys can go together. That's going to be 2x. These are just numbers. -12 plus 8. -4. All right. Now, after you've done that side, well, now do this side. Same thing. Distribute. -6x. Distribute. +12. All right. Next, bring down the 3x and the -6. Combine the like terms on the right side of the equation. -6x plus 3x. -3x. +12 and -6. +6. So now, everything on the left, 2x minus 4. Everything on the right, -3x plus 6. Woo! Gotta admit, this is a lot cleaner now, all right? Cleaned it up. Now what? Well, we've got to move one of the variables from one side to the other. That's step 3 4/7, okay? So this -3x, that's the one I'm going to pick on. That's the one I'm going to move. I'm going to add 3x. When I do that, that's going to give me 0x. Cool. Do one side to do the other. It's called balancing the equation. 2x plus 3x, 5x. Bring down our -4, bring down our 6. Finally, whoo, we should be at ease now because we have a two-step equation. This is when it gets easy. Add 4, 10 on the right, 5x on the left, divide by 5, divide by 5. You should find yourself dividing at the end a lot. X is equal to 2. Okay, I think that's my answer. Not 100% sure. So one thing you can do, one thing you can definitely do is check it, all right? Put in 2 right here for x. Put in 2 for x right there. Put it in for there. Get something on the left, boom. Then put in 2 on the right. Put it in here, put it in there. And these two numbers should be the same when you check it, all right? So you can do that. There's also a way to do these on your calculators if you can figure it out. Might Google it. All right, our next example. Woo! Here we go, another one. There's a lot of stuff going on in here. But if you take it side by side, probably not too bad. Do the left side, all right? Change it, simplify it. Do the right side, change it, simplify it. And then what you should have is variables on both sides. You can see them. And then solve it from there, okay? Take it easy and you'll be good. All right, first things first. Get rid of these parentheses. Don't fall for this trick and do 6 minus 2 first. Don't do it. Don't do it. This is a -2 to start with. And that's another thing you can do. Change this plus a negative. There you go. So now distribute that -2 here. That's -6x. Distribute that -2 there. That's going to be -8. Bring down your 6. Bring down your negative 2x. Haven't done anything with it. All right. Let's go ahead and continue on the left side here. Negative 6 and negative 2x. Negative 6x and negative 2x, negative 8x. Positive 6 and negative 8, negative 2. All right, now we got down to terms that we can't put together, so that means we've done that far enough. Now go to the right side. All right, on the right side, I'm going to take this 5, and I'm going to distribute it here. It's going to give me 10x. Distribute the 5 to negative 3, negative 15. Bring down the negative 12x, bring down the 7. Whew, now combine these like terms, 10x and negative 12x, negative 2x. Positive 7, and positive 15, and negative 15 and positive 7, excuse me, negative 8. All right, now what you should notice, you have variables on both sides. Variables on both sides. All right, so which one are we going to get rid of? I'm going to get rid of this negative 8. I'm going to add 8x here, add 8x here. There we go. On the right, we're going to have 6x minus 8 equal to negative 2. All right, 2 more steps, and we are done. Add 8, add 8. Now on the left, we're going to have 6, and that's going to be equal to 6x. All right, last things last. Divide by 6, or divide by the coefficient, and we'll get 1x. That's good. Divide by 6 over here, and you get a wonderful answer. That's right. After all that, the answer is 1. That's right. So you can go back and check it. Make sure you got it right. All right, guys. That's all I'm doing this week. 2 examples. Tried to keep this under 7 minutes. There you go. Good luck. As always, if you have any questions, contact your teachers. Let us know, and we can help you out. Other than that, go out and have a great Mustang day.